Good morning, 11th students. Chemistry part 2, lesson number 8, redox reaction. In that, I am starting our third part. Our next topic is oxidation number. See, yesterday I taught you the electron transfer, loss of electrons, gain of electrons, what is oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Now 8.2.1 competitive electron transfer reactions, that is not in your course, that is of zinc and copper. Okay, so that part is omitted. Now our next topic is 8.3, that is oxidation number. Okay, so I am starting with the 8.3 oxidation number on page number 267. See, what is oxidation number? I am teaching you with an example, that is examples of water. Electron transfer is when hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water H2O by reaction. So hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, 2H2O. How I am going to balance? See, hydrogen, okay, plus oxygen gives H2O. But here oxygen 2, so we have to balance oxygen. So I am writing 2. So now hydrogen 2, but instead of 2, 2 to 4. So we have to balance here also. In this way you have to balance. So while combining 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen, you are getting 2 moles of H2O. Okay. This equation is 8.18. Now, though not simple in its approach, yet we can visualize that hydrogen atom on going from a neutral zero state in hydrogen to a positive state in H2O. Okay, now you have to understand. See, hydrogen H2O at neutral state, their oxidation number is 0. I will teach you some rules afterwards. From 0 to a positive state in H2O. Here, hydrogen you are knowing, no? I taught you in the periodic table. Hydrogen is in first group, so easily it will lose the electron and plus valence state. So, hydrogen plus 1. Okay. Now, the oxygen atom goes from 0 state in oxygen to a negative state, that is di state in H2O. Okay, how? See, oxygen you are knowing is in 6th group in periodic table, so it will not easily lose plus 6 but easily will gain. So its oxidation number is minus 2. So oxygen here H2O, its valency is minus 2. Okay, diatomic. Now it is assumed that there is an electron transfer from hydrogen to oxygen, and consequently hydrogen is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. Okay, see, hydrogen from 0 to 1 in H2O. Okay, and oxygen in H2O from 0 to minus 2. So hydrogen is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. Loss and gain. Okay, here loss of electron 0 to 1, 0 to plus 1. So oxidation, gain of electron 0 to minus 2, so reduction. We will see later the charge transfer is only partial, better described as an electron shift rather than a complete loss of electron by hydrogen. So loss of electron by hydrogen, gain of electron by oxygen. Okay, like that. Now this equation 8.1, like that I am showing you two such examples, that is hydrogen and chloride gives HCl, hydrogen Cl2. So see, H2 plus Cl2, you will get HCl. But here 2 and 2, so we have to balance here 2. This equation is 8.19. Again this equation methane plus Cl2 will give CCl4 and 4HCl. This is 8.20. See, CH4. Okay. this CH4 plus Cl2. You are getting the products CCl4 plus HCl. Now how we will balance? Hydrogen 4, so it should be 4 here. So we have to balance the hydrogen. Here Cl4, 4Cl, but this is Cl2. Okay, here Cl4 and 4Cl. So you have to write 4Cl and 4Cl, 8. So you have to balance here 4Cl2. Okay, followed? Now, in order to keep track of electron shifts in a chemical reaction involving formation of element complex, a more practical method of using oxidation number has been developed. Okay. In this method, we will assume that there is a complete transfer of electron from a less electronegative atom to a more electronegative atom. Okay, now you are knowing in periodic table who is more electronegative and less electronegative. See, group first plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, carbon plus 4, then plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7. So electronegativity increase here. So this is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, so they are more electronegative. So group 7th and here minus 4. I taught you earlier. Easily they will lose and easily they will gain. So the who will easily gain the electron, they are more electronegative. Okay, so HCl. So hydrogen is less electronegative and chlorine is more electronegative. Okay, so H2O. Hydrogen is less electronegative, oxygen is more electronegative. Okay, so in this method, it is always assumed that there is a complete transfer of electron from a less electronegative atom to a more electronegative atom. Okay. Now I will show you again how I am going to write the equations 8.18, 8.19 and 8.20. Rewriting. See, H2 and oxygen gives H2O. So I said you less electronegative to more electron. At neutral state, some rules I will show you afterwards, that at neutral state their oxidation state is 0. 0. From H2O. So hydrogen is having oxidation number plus 1 and oxygen is minus 2. As earlier I showed you. Okay, group first easily loss of electron. So plus 1 and oxygen is having minus 2. Sixth group. So you have to show the oxidation states. Now H2 plus Cl2 at neutral state they are having valence 0, 0 and HCl. Hydrogen is in first group, so plus 1. Chlorine is minus 1. Why? Because it is in 7th group. Easily gain and easily loss. This is equation 8.22. Now CH4, Cl2, CCl4 and 4HCl 8.23. Oxidation state neutral. Compound is neutral, so 0. This is not neutral. So carbon I showed you earlier plus 4 or minus 4. So here more electronegative than hydrogen. So hydrogen is having plus 1 and carbon is negative. Okay. So here you can see